to delete SafePal wallet account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your SafePal wallet account. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your SafePal application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your SafePal account. Once logged in, here in this page, tap on your wallet name at the top. Once you tap on it, you will be presented with this page. Here select the wallet you wish to delete and then tap on the three dots at the right side of the wallet. By doing so, you will be presented with the wallet details. Here at the very bottom, you will be able to see the remove wallet option. Before deleting or removing your wallet, ensure that you have backed up your recovery phase, as deleting the wallet will permanently delete all the access to your funds associated with it. If you have already backed up, then tap on this remove wallet option at the very bottom. Here you will need to tap on this delete button from the pop-up window and you will need to enter your security password in order to finalize the decision. Enter your security password here and after that, you will see your wallet has been removed from SafePal app. Deleting the wallet doesn't remove any assets, it simply removes access from your application. If you want to recover it in the future, you will need to have the recovery phase with you. If you have that, you will be able to recover your funds if needed in the future. So by following these steps, you can successfully delete your SafePal wallet from the application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.